Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Cash App Clone on Android. So the first thing I want you to do is check your phone's built-in features, because many Android phones have a native feature that lets you clone apps. If you don't, you can just go to your Play Store and you just search for Dual App. There's so many different ones. For example, this one, multiple accounts, Dual Space, 50 plus million downloads, 100 plus million downloads on Dual Space right here. This one as well, Parallel Space. Choose the one that you like. Most of them have really good reviews, as you can see, and then all you need to do is go ahead and install this. Once that is done, I will show you how to do the next process. Now I want you to open up the app as such, agree and continue, and then you just go ahead and click on the plus icon. You'll see all your apps. I want you to scroll down until you see Cash App. When you see Cash App, just click here on the plus icon, and as you can see, it is now being added and it is being cloned. After that, you'll see your app right here. You can go ahead and tap on it to open it up, and as you can see, you can agree to show notifications if you want as such, and then you just open it up and then go ahead and use the app. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.